Hi guys, welcome back again today. So I'm going to be showing us how to create a perfect lacing bar. Okay, so I'll take my strip. Like I said before, this is cut 5 inch. Okay, it's 5 inch wide and I folded it into 2 inch into two. So, and I made sure one part was longer than the other side. Okay, so and I folded the other ½ inch here. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be placing this like so. You can see the middle line here. This is the middle line. So I'm going to place my pattern like this on the inside like so, just on that middle line. Okay, so I'll take my boning, I'll fix my boning like so. So I'm making sure I'm moving away from the top by 0.5 inch. Okay, I'm just moving away from my seam allowance. So I'm going to be sewing. So this boning is very important for you to strengthen your lacing bar. Okay, so there are different methods in making a lacing bar, so but this method I find it very useful. So I'll stitch on the other side as well. So I'll continue to add my bonings. So I'll place another one just like 0.25 inches away from it, from the first one. Everything is sewn. Okay, so and I'll flip it now. Can you see? So remember I folded this part, so I'm going to flip it down like so. Then I'm going to keep that down with a really tiny stitch. I'm going to sew at the edge. Okay, so I have a really well structured lacing bar now. So I'll cut off this excess that I have here at the top. Okay, so the one I have at the bottom, I'm also going to be cutting that out. Okay, so I have a perfect lacing bar, as you guys can see. So this is what I have. So I'll repeat the same step for the other one. So and be sure to mark the places where you want to put it, because you want it to be accurate. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to have 5. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, my eyelet plier has a puncher. Okay, so I'm going to first punch on that hole. So I have all of my holes punched out now. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to start fixing my eyelet. So I'll start fixing my eyelet. So you really need to strengthen your lacing bar with boning. Okay, very important, because this is where you are going to be dragging all of your corsets from, to give it that corset look that you want, like, because it's going to be really snatched. Okay, so that you you can be able to lace it and to drag it properly. So but if your lacing bar is not well strengthened, you won't be able to drag your rope properly, or your lacing. I don't know how to say that, but I guess you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So now that I've put in all of my eyelet, the next thing I'm going to do is to come back with the puncher. So I'm going to now be closing it up here. Okay, so you can see that's fixed. So I'll come to this one. So this is what I have on the good side. Okay, so this is really easy, guys. I hope you guys find this really easy to follow. Okay, so guys, our eyelet plier is done. I guess you guys will agree with me that we have come a long way already with our corset. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to be showing us how to turn it with the lining. Okay, so that's just going to be what's next. I've joined the back right now to the front already. So in our next video I'm going to be showing us how to turn it with the lining. Okay, so please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to this channel, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.